ATBF families, I'm Katriel and I'm an intern with ATBF. Today I'm going to be ending the series Life Lessons with Katriel with one final video. And I want to thank you guys for coming on this journey with me throughout this video series. I created these videos to help people who are struggling with life because of having autism. It is important for me to create this video series for teens and or young adults and or whoever else watches them. I have struggled because I have Asperger's and I want other people to avoid many of the struggles that I went through. I also have had a lot of good things about having Asperger's, like I've been more creative and I have had a different perspective on life, which is cool, and some people really appreciate that, so that's cool. And then I hope you guys attained more wisdom from these videos than you had before. My favorite part of the recording series were the videos where I gave advice about friendships. I hope that whoever watched this now knows how to be and choose better friends. I want to recommend that you have a diverse friend group, which means not just being friends with people who are the same gender as you, but also just having a diverse friend group in general. I have already heard from at least one person that they really enjoyed the second video in which I mentioned some friendship advice. My favorite part about creating this series was knowing that I was helping people on the autism spectrum. And my favorite tip that I gave was I gave the tip that people should talk to trustworthy adults who do not know what to do. And talking to trustworthy adults is important to do because people who are younger than 18 have not lived enough life to give you wise advice. So that's a good thing to remember. I want to talk a little bit about what I have learned from my internship with HBF. I have learned that the world is a better place when people are caring and supportive of people who need help. And I have seen HBF do this. Also, I've learned that it is important to set multiple alarms for work to get to work on time, or class if you have class. And just to give you an example, like I have an alarm at 9 to wake up. I have an alarm at 9:45 to let me know that, hey, it's time to get ready for getting to work. And then I have an alarm for 5 minutes before, which is like, hey, we're really getting down to this, work starts in 5 minutes, I need to finish setting up. These 3 alarms help me to be able to manage time really well. And they also help me remind me that I have work in the first place. And the 15 minutes and 5 minutes may not be adequate enough time for you, or maybe too much time for you. So find a time where it works for you, but those are what work for me. Another thing I've learned at HPF is how to interact with my bosses. Before HPF, I had not really interacted with my bosses that much. It's really important to be respectful and kind and loving towards your bosses, and also be polite. And just remember they're your boss, meaning they're in charge, you're not. And then I want to tell you guys a little bit about my plans for after interning with HBF, which are I am planning on finishing out school at Westmont College. I have 3 semesters left, and I'm not sure what I'm going to do after college. And I want to thank the people who have helped me create this video series. And those people would be my fellow colleague and friend who's an intern at HBF named Mia, the director of operations, Rebecca, and the program assistant, Santana. And those who have helped me with tips, meaning those people would be my friends and family, and also the websites I've used for both for other websites, the videos, and the resource document, which you'll see attached to some of these videos. And I want to thank you guys for watching these videos, and I really hope these videos help you to love people well, and help you to be a kinder, better version of yourself, and also help you to succeed in life. So thank you. I hope you have a great day, and goodbye.